Let's start the video with what we think is the most coolest hidden space of all. Just watch as the car actually disappears into the ground. This is an underground garage by Ideal Park. The car lift provides a triple function for car owners. Firstly, it preserves the aesthetics of the external environment, optimizing space for a garden or a courtyard. The space optimization leads to more parking capacity and, more importantly, protecting your car from theft or weather corrosion. Just like Ideal Park, a German company manufactures retractable garbage cans, bicycle garage and much more. They are known as Dressler box. No garbage cans on the front yard, no smell and no more vandalism possible. This hidden lift is a fantastic space-saving idea. Bright Woodworks is Tampa Bay's best custom woodworking shop, offering full-service white glove handling for the entire project. For one of their custom projects, they built this bookshelf, which may seem to be an ordinary bookshelf with various features and amenities, but in reality, it's hiding a secret door. The door opens to a vault, revealing a real-life secret gun storage room for one of their clients to hide away their amazing gun collection. Scott McIndoe is an Instagrammer who inspires others with his amazing woodworking projects. He is also an active member at Instructables, where he has shared a detailed plan on how to make your own secret door bookshelf on a budget. Thought you were done seeing things disappear into the ground? Here's another one from Slovakia. Impress your guests by installing this amazing dining table in your home. Hiding in plain sight, this dining table is space-saving and functional at the same time. Check out this amazing pallet wall with a secret door from COVID Concepts. They are a secret door company that specializes in concealing spaces and creating hidden doors to keep you and your loved ones safe and secure. Here is another secret safe room designed by Custom Cabinets. At first glance, it appears to be a regular linen closet with adjustable shelves and other functions. However, on closer look, it opens up to reveal a secret hiding spot. This particular closet was actually built in a house which was rented out to a famous celebrity. There are plenty of really good ideas for hidden doors. Check out this stone wall from Kodiak Mountain. The new homeowners built a beautiful natural stone wall in their basement. However, if you know which rock to press, a secret door opens, revealing a stairway which takes you to a secret area of the house. A company called Creative Home Engineering is famous for making hidden secret doors in the most unique ways. Check out this amazing hidden door fireplace. They offer a bunch of cool ways to open the secret door, from sliding motion to a rotating wall to a pivoting fireplace door. Now, everyone cannot afford such expensive solutions for a hidden space. For them, we have here the most cost-effective, easiest and, dare I say, the cheapest hidden secret door solution in the market. The best thing is, all you need are a few drawer sliders and 2x4s and you can make your own secret door. I'm actually impressed by the simplicity of the idea. Follow the instructions in the link below and start making one on your own. to be honest, if you have the right tools and skills, you can make yourself an even more sophisticated hidden door. Check out this DIY hidden bookcase door made by Bruce Mercado. He built a pair of secret bookcase doors utilizing progressive automation linear actuators. Let's move on to some more exciting hidden rooms, and what could be more surprising than hiding a swimming pool? Ego Creative Engineering have come up with an excellent way to keep your pool hidden and safe for everyone. With adjustable moving floor, you can set your own pool depth. With just a push of a button, the hardwood floor converts into a swimming pool, keeping you and your loved ones always safe. This creative piece of furniture is full of surprises. Designed by Mark, who loves to create multifunctional furniture for various purposes. He has created this coffee table in a true literal sense. Every hidden compartment reveals essential elements to make and serve a finely brewed coffee. Floor hiding place. The name really describes it all. A company called Secure Hidden Places has designed this hidden compartment right in your floor. They use a small magnet embedded in the floor to work like a keyhole. Smart safes from Quick Safes are discrete design safes to help you hide your valuables out of sight. They come in a variety of styles and are super easy to install. These safes can be locked using a smartphone, touch sensor, and RFID card. You can also use their app to check who has been accessing these safes in your home. This nightstand is designed to hide your firearms and valuables in a safe place while also making them easily accessible when needed. It has two secret drawers, one which can be opened using a key and the other is RFID activated for a quick response to any threat in your home. An over wheelchair step lift is a public access platform lift installed in a London office. Just look at how seamlessly the lift moves from the ground to the top of the stairs. Designed to blend into its surrounding decor while proving a vital access for disabled visitors. Touchstone motorized whisper is a solution to keep your kitchen counters clean and clear. TV lifts have been around for a while and thousands have been installed in homes, businesses and recreational vehicles. You can use these lifts not just for your TVs but also other appliances as well. Watchwinder cabinet by City Fine Furniture is packed with surprises and secret drawers which even have their own secret compartments. The cabinet is designed for people who need to store a variety of items at one location. It features automated opening compartments on 3 sides and the top. The compartments are accessed using 4 buttons on the upper trim. Each button activates a different mechanical compartment that opens automatically. The compartments are divided into a variety of storage spaces for different storage items.